They're back on Asta Sword, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make this thing. So here is Asta's blade in its full glory, but the twist is it's got a really long handle. I don't know why I decided to do this, but if I were to put it in comparison, this thing's taller than me. If I were to step up here, then it's obviously going to be a bit shorter. So for example, it's as tall as me, as you can see, right? This is in its full length. So yeah, today I'll be showing you guys how to do this. And there's nothing much to it. It's just a piece of wood with some of these things. Oh, okay, it does touch the ceiling, so it's like really big. Okay, this is one of the biggest things I've made. It's bigger than my Zoro's blade, Zoro's katana. And yeah, I'm quite impressed with this, so I'll be showing you guys how to make this. And it's pretty simple than it looks, because all you need is a bunch of A4 paper and a piece of wood. So yeah, let's get on with the video. Hey guys, it's me, I'll be back on Asta Sword, and today I have a video on another paper weapon which I'll be demonstrating today, like I usually do. I've been making a lot of swords. The thing is already ready, so all you need is a basic piece of wood like this, and then just random pieces of paper I'm going to attach here and there to make a proper blade. So I like the aesthetic of the handle, so I don't think I'll be changing that because it will be hidden either way, but we'll be modifying the blade now. And to start things off, let's take a piece of A4 paper and roll it like this. We will extend this like 1 A4 longer because it is not sharp. It's not a sharp sword. This will be hidden either way. You won't see this piece of A4. So we're just going to stick it in there. Okay, so we've got an extended blade. We extended it by approximately 1 foot. So this blade is almost as long as the Zoro's blade now. Yeah, it's still not quite the same size. Zoro's blade is absolutely a beast. It's too long, so it's gonna be hard to compete with that, but this is a decent size as well. Right, it looks pretty long and sturdy, so I'm gonna have to work with this. Actually, this is too low. Let's go for this approach. So we'll fold this A4 in somewhere right there, half, and then we're going to roll it. It's not really a roll, we're going to fold it like this. Right, and then fold it in half again. And just sort of stick it in there like that. Carefully tape it. Yes. Another roll of tape to secure it in place, and there we go. You got the bottom side designed. It's not much, but it looks cool. Okay, the next step would be to let me do the designing of the handle in the end. Let's work on the main body of the sword itself. Yes, let's do that. Close up the sides like this. Right, now final step would be to put this somewhere. So that's the top part done. Right? It looks like this. That's it. You know how we're working. This is good. Bring it all the way in. Okay, I think I have an idea. That's one of the best ideas I've ever had. Have to use this turbine method. Pretty proud of it. Alright, let's leave this. add some design to the handguard. Some simple stuff. Particular reason. How did it go again? I just can't remember. It got something like this. Right, it's something like that. Sure. So that's the Black Clover, I don't know. Okay. Pretty decent. Looking big sword right here. I don't think there's much of anything else to do over here. Right. Let's add a straight line along the center. Just because I want to. Demon marks. So let's take this to a different location and see how it looks. Alright, so I've put this down on my bed for size comparison, and here's my hand compared to the entire thing. Let me fetch Zoro's sword as well. Alright, so Zoro's sword compared to Asta's blade. Obviously this time Asta's blade is much longer due to the addition of the extra A4 paper, and here it is in its full glory. So this is how you can make a really simple Asta 5-leaf clover, Black Clover sword. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you got some inspiration to do some paper crafts, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment me down below what should I do next in my next video, and share my videos. Thank you, bye bye.